Hi, I'm Brigetta, and today I'm making Italian sausage Parmesan soup. The combination of flavors are wonderful. We loved it, and we know you will too. The ingredients you're going to need are Italian sausage, onion, fresh parsley, got baby spinach, extra virgin olive oil, got chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, my cheese is Parmigiano Reggiano, carrots, celery. I've got diced tomatoes with green chilies, which I'll talk a little more about that later. My pasta is ditalini. I've got salt, this is pepper, and garlic. And now, for a little therapeutic chopping, I'm going to chop up my carrots and my celery.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it.
Okay.
I believe in you. You got it. I know you.
We're going to start here at the stove, and we're going to take our big pot. We're going to add a little oil, and we're going to cook our sausage. Now I have mild, but you can get spicy. Get our paper off. All right, we're going to brown our sausage before we add our other ingredients.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. All right, next we're adding our vegetables. Onions. Get this. Stir that around. Garlic. And our carrots and celery. I'm using Rotel mild diced tomatoes and green chilies, but the recipe says just diced tomatoes. That's a 14.5 ounce can. I believe this is about 10. This is what I had in my cabinet the first time I made it. We liked it, so I'm using it again. But you can do just the diced tomatoes. That's very doable. And I do have my water in the back starting to boil for cooking my pasta. And I'm going to cook my pasta separately, the ditalini. Okay, next the broth. Make sure you get everything off the bottom. This is homemade broth. Okay. So we're nearing the end. We're almost done. But we need to add salt and pepper because we haven't done that yet. I've turned the temperature down. And some salt. Now my pasta's cooking and I have salted the water. Okay, I think that's enough salt until we try it. And I have my whipping cream. If you want your soup creamier, you can add the rind from your fresh Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. We're going to let that sit in there for a little while, and then we'll take it out before we serve. Okay, now we're going to add our spinach. And we're going to use about half the bag. Because like I've said before, it's going to wilt down to almost nothing. I've cooked the pasta separately. We like doing, whoops, sorry. It's a good thing I wear an apron. We like the pasta not to soak up all the liquid. So I've cooked it separately this time. The original instructions do say to cook it in the pot. That's totally up to you.
Don't do it.
But we like it separate.
Pro tip.
Yeah. Whenever possible. I have done it both ways.
What was that pro tip? Don't put the pasta in until you ladle the soup into your own bowl.
Yeah.
Keep them separate.
Because then it just swells up.
Gets all mushy.
Yeah, it does get mushy.
And that's why kids don't like soup sometimes.
Well, maybe. It could be all the good vegetables in there. But that's the part we like now as adults. Okay. We're going to move on over to the counter. It's time to try Italian sausage Parmesan soup.
Get the lid off this monster. Ooh.
A little hot. All right. So, I have the ditalini pasta. I have the soup. And I'm going to go ahead and serve you.
How do you know which to put in first, the pasta or the soup?
I don't know if it matters.
No. But the key thing is to not add the pasta till you're ready to eat the soup, in our opinion.
Right.
Keeps it, what's it called when a pasta is firm?
Al dente.
Al dente, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to put a little parsley on top.
Yum. I wish you could smell this.
It really smells good. Okay. I'm going to trade you.
Thank you.
So doing it this way, you might want to have more pasta. Because you might end up putting more in there.
And some people, you know, they're trying to watch their girlish figure like me, and they might not want as much pasta, right?
Right? Your girlish figure. Do you want more?
No, perfect.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to try not to burn my face off here.
It is a little hot. Might have to blow on it. Really good.
Wow. That sausage really does
Even
the
though
trick.
it's mild, it still has great flavor.
Yeah, it's not spicy sauce. It just has a
No. But
Gives
if that's what you want, you can add spicy sausage.
gives it a full-bodied flavor.
Now, of course, the recipe will be in the description box. That's great. Of course, with crusty bread or a salad, that would be a perfect meal.
This is delicious.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Very nice.
I love how hot it looks.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong. Just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me.